Welcome back to another edition of Kitchen Magic, where I am your teacher named Prospere. Here I teach you regular kitchen magic, everything stay for the next. This combine them all together so that this way you can create something all in. So, today's lesson is series. Now I always remember. Now I was interested, but if I was born in something deeply inexplicable, well, significant soul as a kid, and my parents were friends with me. So, sister, yes, I'm not. That's my job. But anyway, aside from fig Newtons, figs have long been seen as a symbol of prosperity and abundance. In ancient Greece, figs were highly prized and believed to be a gift from the gods. Yes, they were eaten during celebrations, particularly in honor of the god Dionysus, who is the god of wine and abundance. So, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, oops. In Middle Eastern cultures, figs are often used as part of rituals to attract financial prosperity and are symbolic of luxury and divine favor. Now, in Jewish tradition, figs are a symbol of good fortune and prosperity and are often included in celebratory dishes. In African traditions, yes, from the continent of Africa, this represents the abundance of the earth, and eating them is said to bring wealth and stability. Now, as far as what we manifested, they enjoy figs either as a fig Newton if they are still around, or as regular figs of celebratory juices, like fruit cultures I just named it. So, enjoy figs as part of your meals or snacks while focusing on attracting financial blessings. With each bite, you can say, with each fig, I nourish my prosperity. I invite wealth to flow into not just my body, but to me abundantly and effortlessly. See, because once again, figs represent luxury and financial blessings. So go get your fig Newton if they have them. Go get your figs today. Both your body and your mind. Yes, indeed. Until the next lesson, to Louis.